Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on phone calls on your Mac, so your Mac can ring and receive calls from your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the FaceTime app on your Mac. You can do this by pressing Command plus spacebar on your keyboard, then typing FaceTime and opening it. Once FaceTime is open, look at the top menu bar and click on FaceTime, then select Settings. In the Settings window, stay in the General tab. Now look for the option that says Calls from iPhone. If it's turned off, your Mac won't receive any calls. To turn it on, simply check the box next to Calls from iPhone. That's it. Your Mac will now be able to receive and ring for incoming calls from your iPhone. Just make sure your iPhone and Mac are signed in to the same Apple ID and connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work properly. Alright, that's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.